Well, good evening, everyone. Another chilly day out there for December, and that's very apparent in our area conditions. Currently, Paris over at 38 degrees. Danville's one of our cooler spots at 36. Champaign, 35 degrees. Decatur over at 35 as well. Now, clouds were a little bit of the story today as we pushed on throughout the day. Clouds did start to push into our SkyWatch area, and that is going to be the case for tomorrow morning. Right around 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, we do bring in the chance for a splash of rain. Right around Paris, right down along the I-70 area, and maybe even parts of Effingham, you could be seeing just a little bit of rain as we move into the morning hours tomorrow, but then by noon, all of that rain is going to push on out of here, and then by noon, we will be left with just mostly cloudy skies, and most of those cloudy skies are going to push out by 5 o'clock, so as you're taking a drive home, some of these southern counties down near Effingham, right along I-70, you may even see a nice sunset as you're driving home tomorrow evening. Then by 8:30, a few of those clouds do still hang around right around Charleston, all the way up to Champaign and over to Taylorville. Those clouds will still hang around in there a little bit, but some of our northern counties and some of those southern counties will get a few clearing spots for our evening tomorrow evening. Now, as we start the day off tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., 35 degrees to start your day off. As I said, there will be a few clouds in the sky. We do bring in that chance for some rain to some of our eastern counties again, but cool and clearing conditions for most of the day. 3 o'clock tomorrow when we'll hit our daytime high. We'll be under mostly sunny skies by that point. 40 degrees for the daytime high tomorrow as the kids are getting out of school and heading home. To break down your day planner for you tomorrow, 8 a.m., 36 degrees is what we'll start off at. And then by noon, we'll get up to 39 degrees. But most of those clouds will start to push out of our region by then. So it might be a nice time to go out and enjoy some lunch. 41 degrees is what we'll get up to tomorrow for our daytime high. And then by 5 o'clock, 38 degrees for your drive home tomorrow evening as those clouds start to push out of here. Now, if you take a look at the jet stream, I was saying earlier that we are going to be experiencing some 20 degree high temperatures later this week, and that's because of where our jet stream is positioned right now. Now, these green colors down here, those are the warmer colors, and these blue and even some of these pinks up here are some of these cooler colors. And as I put this into motion on Tuesday, we are under some blue is the color that is over most of Illinois right now, and that's showing that the cold air is coming. And some of this pink color up here is starting to move down into Illinois as we move on into Wednesday, but that's as far as our models will go out. We'll keep you updated on just how cold it's going to get as the week goes on. Wednesday, few of these clouds are to the western portion. Taylorville and Shelbyville completely covered with clouds to start your Wednesday off. And we do see a little bit of a chance of some snow up here, but I just think those models are being a little too optimistic. I just don't think that that's going to be the case. But then as we progress on into the day, by 5 o'clock still, most of the area is covered by this cloud covered right along I-70. You may see some of that clearing, as I said earlier, as the case on Tuesday. But then by 8 o'clock, most of those clouds will start to cover up most of our area. For your 7-day forecast, as I said, we do bring in the chance for some morning rain on Tuesday. But as we move on throughout the day, that rain is going to start to move out of the area. But then take a look at Sunday. Sunday, we are bringing in the chance for a little bit of a wintry mix. That's when we're going to be bringing in the next chance for our snow. And other than that, just a cold week coming up.